Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to design a spot poster. For the size is 1080 by 1350. Then go to our file list. Then we'll pick our first image. We resize it. Then we'll pick our second image. Resize it. Then we'll pick our brush tool. Then we'll add the marks. Then we'll blend picture. Like go to edit, then hue saturation, then we'll set the hue to 21, then we'll go to filter, then blur, then go to blur, then set it to 3.1. Pick another image again, resize it. Then we'll add the marks, then we'll pick our brush tool, then we'll blend. Then we'll change the mode to add light. Now click another image, resize it, we'll change it to add light, the mode, we'll add the marks, click our brush tool, then we blend. Then we'll duplicate it, put it at the bottom, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and set it to 8.8. Then we'll click on our brush tool, and we'll blend. Then we'll pick another image again, we'll resize it, then we'll blend. We'll add the marks and we'll pick our brush tool and blend. Then we'll add another image. We'll add the marks, pick our brush tool, then we'll blend. Then we'll add another image again, our main image. We'll resize it. Then we'll pick our second image, another image. We'll resize it. Add the marks, let our brush to blend the edges. Then so try testing the modes on the picture. We just blend it, but we'll be trying it until you are satisfied. So keep trying to see which one will work for it. Keep trying. Soft lights. We'll bring another image again. Position it well. Bring in our third image, another image again. We'll resize it. We'll add the marks. Set our brush to, then we blend. We change the mode to lighting. So we want to write our text down. Click on our text. Before that, we have to blend the picture, our main image, that very well. Then we'll click our text. I'll change the color code. The color code is FFF. It's shown on the screen now. Then I want to write Voilà. So the fonts we're using American signature. Then I want to add some shadow. Yeah. So the color code, change the color code. Color code is written on the screen. 16628 will be shown on the screen. So want to make our picture sharpen, more sharp. Then go to filter, go to sharpen, then click on smart sharpen. Then set it to 214. The amount 214. And so that's it for a poster, spot poster design.